And welcome back. We begin with news on football. Defending champions Cavalier and many-time former champions Portmore United secured their semi-final spots in the Jamaica Premier League after completing return leg quarter-final victories over Waterhouse and Racing United respectively on Wednesday night. Christopher Scott gives us the details.
Cavalier had a roller coaster regular season, to say the least. However, when the playoffs come around, they're a different team, and that was on full display against Waterhouse at the National Stadium. They came from 2-0 down to draw 2-2 in the first leg, but the defending champions were planning to turn their fortunes around. And they did just that, with Dwayne Allen sending them on their way in the 28th minute. With more pressure added by the defending champions in the second half, Cavalier would get another opportunity to go further ahead. Up steps Christopher Ainsworth, who took that chance and made it count with a wonderfully executed free kick in the 79th minute. Speaking at the post-match press conference, assistant coach David Layla said the team stepped up in a big way and had words for the fans who think they might not go all the way.
I can tell you for one, the players that got called up for the national team, they really turn up well today. Giovanni Lang, Ainsworth, just all of them. They just turn up today, and they delivered. Well, for those who doubt Cavalier, I don't know why they would doubt Cavalier. We are last year champion, and before that too. And Cavalier, whenever we reach the playoff, you get a different level of football, a different level of intensity. And so at the end of the day, we are here for keeps.
In the late game, Portmore United also had a 2-0 win in their return leg versus Racing United. Nothing could separate both St. Catherine teams in the first leg, which ended 3-3. However, 7-time champions Portmore United showed their class throughout the contest and weren't going to let a lead slip this time around. They would be rewarded as Tyreek Jimenez broke the deadlock in the 46th minute. Substitute Rashawn Hall then put the icing on the cake in minute 83, making it 2-0 on the night and 5-3 on aggregate.
I think we played a very good game tonight. I think we were in control most of the game, other than from a few set pieces that they got. And I think we kept the ball well and hit them at the right time. Well, I was happy the way we controlled the game, the way we kept the ball, and we could have maybe scored more, but we're happy with the 2-0 win.
Cavalier will now play Montego Bay United in the semi-finals, while Portmore United will face off with Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant F.A. in the other semi-final. The first leg of the semi-finals of the Jamaica Premier League will be played on Sunday at the National Stadium.